Hi, Lisa from Less Stuff here. It's day 4 of Plastic Free July and I've been collecting my plastic all week, the non-recyclable stuff, and it's all fitting in this eco brick here. The idea is to collect enough of them. If you ram this stuff down really hard, this gets solid and you can build out of it. So I'm hoping if I get enough of them eventually to make a kind of stool, cover it with fabric and padding. So that's my plan. It's making me feel a bit meh because there's all sorts of stuff in here that I feel is difficult to avoid. So I've got little nuts packages in here. It's going to require a bit of thinking to find something as affordable without the plastic. But I can do it, you know, little steps at a time. It'll be okay. So today I'm reusing another plastic bottle and I'm going to make a super fast bird feeder in Blue Peter style, though I haven't got one I made earlier, sorry. Right, you need a plastic bottle. You squish it down and use your very rusty scissors to cut up like that on both sides. Then you fold those two in so you get that kind of shape. Can you see all right? Make a tiny slit there and there. And shove a stick in. And push it down into the slots. There you go, so that's nice and rigid. Then you tie some string around the top. When it's dry, because I had to wash this out, put some birdseed in it, and that hangs in your tree, and the lovely birds can have some food without the pussycats eating them. What do you say, Scum? You don't care. That's kind of a snack station for scum spawn, I think, so I'm going to have to put that up very high. That's it for today. Super fast plastic free July day 4, with my dog creaking in the background. Let's hope for rain. It's been boiling in Bristol. Speak soon. Bye.